just wasted 10 seconds of your life.
It's been a while. It's been, probably what, 6 months since I last did a video? Yeah, lots happened, but not much of it in the shop. One of the things that I did do and finished up, well, sort of finished up, is I got the CNC router up and running. Some of the other things that have been going on, summertime. It's been seriously going on. So, even though nothing has happened in a while, I have been able to get a planer, cheap planer, messed with it some, found the blades aren't recoverable, new blades, so I'm going to change the blades. I have no idea how. None. I'm sure this is not the way to do this. This is no longer, and never was, a how-to video. So now when I run my finger along it, slice it open and bleed everywhere. Let's see, it feels better. I have no idea how to get the other side to be the same as this side. Yeah, that'll get us through. Let's run something. I'm going to call that a good enough for now. Next project, we're going to move back over to the CNC. So I moved on to some a little more intricate stuff to see if I could actually do some real inlay. And where is my inlay test? So here's my first attempt. So I did the trace around and then ran it through the table saw to slice out that trace. And this is supposed to fit perfectly inside the other one. And it kind of does for the most part until you get to very specific things, like the top up here is way too wide for the piece underneath. So that was the first try. Alright, in order to keep the accuracy, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to do a tapered cut on the inside of each inlay, like this, and plow out all the the middle stuff, so I can still keep the surface that way. And then I'm going to do an inverse this way, plow out all the outside stuff and keep the middle. So when I flip the two over, they fit together. In theory, yeah, they fit together. And then when you're done, you take off the outside piece, and this remains as the inlay. And the harder you press it in, the more it corrects all of the imperfections. And this is what I got. Feel free, everybody, to laugh your ass off. This is a tool failure. My X-axis failed, and it's kind of a sad failure. It was just a small set screw that just came loose, so that the motor would turn the axle, turn the shaft, but the shaft wasn't turning. So I realized that, reset it, re-zeroed it, put it back in again, and finished it. And then did the inlay, flipped it over, cut the new piece off when after it was all glued, and look how miserable this is. So this was a lot of chatter on my CNC as it was cutting. So I'm not gonna cut as deep. This was I took 2/10 of an inch in each pass, and I went 3/10 deep. So it was a 2-pass piece. So I'm going to go down to 1/1500ths, maybe 1/10 of an inch, and try it again. See if I can cut down on the chatter, and see if I can actually you know, get one of these that works right. But that's the theory on how the inlay is going to be done. Yeah. All right, we'll see. Yeah, I got a failure down here again. Damn it.